Eva Padlock, the famous Spanish model and social media sensation, rose to fame through her social media activities and posing for several modeling campaigns. She is known as Monster Girl because she is one of the models who promotes Monster energy drinks throughout the world. Eva is undoubtedly famous among those who follow her on Instagram. However, due to his closed nature, many of them don't know about his life, both professional and personal. His 40 years old birthday, May 30, 1984, place of birth Barcelona, Spain, birth sign Taurus, nationality Spanish. Additionally, this Spanish woman has an average age of 5 feet 6 inches and weighs 61 kilograms. Net worth $2 million as of January 2024.